महाराष्ट्र के पुणे में आयोजित एक कार्यक्रम में प्रसिद्ध अभिनेत्री और समाज सेविका शबाना आज़मी, मशहूर अभिनेत्री तनिषा मुखर्जी समेत कई प्रमुख हस्तियों ने शिरकत की और अपने अपने विचार व्यक्त किए। वर्तमान समय में जिस तरह से महिलाओं के साथ अत्याचार के मामले सामने आ रहे हैं, उस पर भी चिंता व्यक्त की गई।
What should I do? This toy is not moving. How can I move this toy? How can I go to that table? So all those things are cognitive development. He's trying to understand. He's trying to figure out how should I be able to do, and that continues throughout till adolescence, because here the connectivity and the experiences are different from it was when it was in the early years. Please, it is very, very important to take care of it during the adolescent phase. During that phase, in the beginning, the brain is learning and it is getting developed. In the adolescent phase, the brain is now going into a vulnerable phase. It is now undergoing different change. He does listen to the peers more than the parents. You have to behave with them in a very different way. No shouting at them. Even if they've done wrong, you can always say, okay, we can do it in a different way. I'll sit with you and help you to solve. So that is how this brain is important. You repeat an experience, the child, the wiring becomes stronger. And that is why many times they say the baby sleeps at night, the mother lullabies, sings songs, and there is no app for a mother's lap. There are 1001 apps which are going on, but don't think there will be any lap for a mother's lap. And that is what is very, very important for us to understand how.
Is to say that I think a spiritual bend of mind should be inculcated, and that's one of the things that I wanted to say, is that the parental responsibility towards the most important dimension of ECD and of life itself, spirituality, for all of us to understand the overarching purpose of life. And I think the earlier you start, the better it is. So herein to connect with the divine source, to for young children to know that many paths lead to the same goal, exposure from an earlier age to different philosophies, to different thinking, different religions, through being a role model will make a lot of difference. But that we are talking of the future, and I think the current need is to build a robust psychiatric and psychology professional cadre.
Out of these 15-20 cases, there is no